If you're seeing the cabin climate control system requires service error in your Tesla Model 3 or Y, this indicates a problem with your car's heating and cooling system. This issue is most common in Tesla Model 3 and Y vehicles manufactured between 2020 and 2022, particularly in regions with extreme temperatures. The error can stem from several root causes. The most common is a blocked cabin air filter, accounting for 40% of cases. Heat pump compressor issues account for 25% of cases, often requiring complete heat pump replacement. Sensor malfunctions account for 20% of cases, while electrical connection problems make up the remaining 15%. Tesla has acknowledged this as a known issue and has streamlined the repair process for affected vehicles. Recent software updates from 2024.20 and later include improved diagnostics and error reporting to help identify the specific problem. The most common cause of Tesla's cabin climate control error is a clogged cabin air filter, responsible for 40% of all cases. This should be your first troubleshooting step. If replacing the filter doesn't solve the issue, try a software reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery. This simple procedure resolves many temporary glitches and sensor errors. When DIY solutions don't work, professional diagnostics are needed. Tesla's system generates specific error codes from CC001 through CC045 to help technicians identify the exact problem. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the component. Sensor replacements cost $200 to $350, while complete heat pump assembly replacement can cost up to $3,500. Most repairs are covered under Tesla's 4-year, 50,000-mile basic warranty. 98% of climate control repairs fall under warranty coverage. For out-of-warranty vehicles, consider Tesla's extended service agreements. Remember the troubleshooting sequence. Start with the cabin air filter, try a software reset, then seek professional help if needed. Most issues are warranty covered and have high success rates when properly diagnosed.